Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 28 of Surah Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لئن بسطت إلي يدك لتقتلني ما أنا بباسط يدي إليك لأقتلك La is short. Fatha open your jaws, but the sound is short. This is iqlab, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. So keep the sound in your nose too. There will be gunna too. Ba. Ba is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Sel. Seen is attached with ta. Ta is heavy. This is idgham naqis. Ta is merging into ta, but it is not completely merged. It has heaviness too, and the thing which is omitted is qalqala. So this is idgham naqis. Self, when we are attaching seen with ta, we are making ta heavy, self, and when we are opening with ta. Ta. Self, ta. Self, ta. E. For kasra, give E sound. Lay. Lam for fatha upon your jaws, attach it ya. Ya, whenever ya and waw are with tashdid, they are getting nabar, and nabar is jump off sound. When you are attaching lam with ya, here you are bringing in nabar. Lay. And then ya is soft as usual, and for fatha upon your jaws, the sound will be short. Yeah, yeah. Again, same. Yeah, da. For fatha open your jaws. Ka. Kaf is light, and for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Ta. Ta is light. Qaf is heavy. For fatha open your jaws, and give qalqala on qaf. Qaf is the qalqala is taba'ud. When you are aparting the two components of makhraj of qaf, here we apply qalqala. Tu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws. Ni for the for kasra, give E sound, make it 2 counts long. Ma 4 counts long. A hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon your jaws. Sharp means there is no flow of breath in, no flow of sound in it. A na for fatha upon your jaws. When we are in wasl, we continue our recitation. We are dropping this alif because of the suffer. But when we stop here, we will establish this alif. If we wanted to give waqf here, then we will say ana. But now we are continuing our recitation, so we are dropping this alif. Ana, ana, b for kasra, give E sound. Ba 2 counts long. C for kasra, give E sound. Ta is heavy, and there is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, yeah, is soft. Your middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards palate, but it is not touching it. That is making ya very soft letter. Yeah, D for kasra, give E sound. Yeah, for fatha upon jaws. E for kasra, give E sound. Lay. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ka for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Li for kasra, give E sound. Aq. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach it qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Aq. Tu for the Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short and light. Lak for fatha upon jaws, attach it kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Lak. In hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Kha is heavy. To make any letter heavy, you lift your tongue up, lift the root of your tongue up and make it 2 counts long here because this is mud letter. Kha, fu. Keep fa light, but lafz jilala will be heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips on fa. Fu. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Give the wasut here. Fu. La. And then it is 2 counts long. Uh, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is 2 counts long always. For fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached ba. Ba will get a sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. Rab bal. For fatha upon jaws attached lam. Lam will get sifa up tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat, it make it 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mean. Give the okay. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon, and this will bring in tawassut here. So you are giving tawassut on noon, and this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is called madarid sukoon. لئن بسطت إلي يدك لتقتلني ما أنا بباسط يدي إليك لأقتلك إني أخاف الله رب العالمين. Inni. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akma. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, 4 counts long. Mad, munfasil jaiz. U, for dhamma, circle lips. Ri, ra is light. Make it 2 counts long. Do, for dhamma, circle lips. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. And this ikhfa is light. When ikhfa is light, you keep your tongue straight. Ta, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is very sharp. No flow of sound here. Boo, for dhamma, circle lips. Make it 4 counts long. Sorry. Make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. No, this is muttasil wajib. Here is boo is 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. Boo. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. B for kasra, give E sound. Is for kasra, give E sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of rakhawa. If me 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of always circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. If Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of raqawa. Mi for kasra, give E sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws. There is no hams in kaf when kaf is with fatha, dhamma or kasra. Fa, give hams in fa. Whenever you see fa, you give hams, and hams is flow of breath. Ta, very sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku, for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nin, for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. As, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa. And it is heavy and it has safir. As, ha, 2 counts long, and ha should be from your throat with hums. Bin, for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nar. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on ra, and now ra will get tawassut, and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before sakin ra. Na, and this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. So this is mad arid للسكون. نار و for مخرج of wow circle your lips for fatha open jaws the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Ja Jim is very sharp. When your middle part of your tongue is pasted up on the palate, uh, that is making Jim very clear and sharp sound. Ja za 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Og for dhamma circle ellipse attaches dha. Dha will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. Dha 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Mean. Because of this fact, we are giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat للسكون. إني أريد أن تبوء بإثمي وإثمك فتكون من أصحاب النار وذلك جزاء الظالمين. F give hams in fa for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Qawwa ta is heavy, and whenever you find waw and ya with tasdeed you are giving nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. When you are attaching ta with waw, here you are applying nabar. And then with fatha of waw, the waw will be very normal. Wa at ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attach with ta will get sifa of hams. At la for fatha open jaws. Who for the circle ellipse. And the sound is short. No, 2 counts long. La who for the circle ellipse. The sound is 2 counts long. Naf for fatha open jaws attach with fa. Fa will get sifa of hams, and hams is flow of breath. Naf su for the circle ellipse. And the sound is short. Who for the circle ellipse. Make it 2 counts long. Qat qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of hams and have this flow of breath. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. A hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Khi 2 counts long and make kha heavy. He for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Fa give hams in on fa. For fatha the sound is short. Qa qaf is heavy. For fatha open jaws the sound is short. Ta very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound here. For fatha open jaws the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Who for the circle ellipse make it 2 counts long. Fa give hams on fa. With fatha the sound is short. As for fatha open jaws attach hamza is very sharp. For attach with sad. Sad will get sifa of raqawa, and it is heavy and it has safir. As ba for fatha open jaws. Ha for fatha open jaws it should be from your throat with hams. Ni for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Kha is heavy. When you want to make any letter heavy, you lift your tongue up, but you not circle your lips. Kha si for kasra give e sound. Reen. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat sukoon. فطوعت له نفسه قتل أخيه فقتله فأصبح من الخاسرين. give hams on fa. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Ba, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. A, ain from your throat, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Thaw, tha is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Thaw, it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ghu, ghain is heavy for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ra is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Bay, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Bay, yab. Yeah is soft for fatha open jaws attached with ba. For yeah, you are lifting the middle part of your tongue towards your palate, but it is not touching. That is making ya very soft. Letter, there is no y sound in it. It is very soft. Yeah, yeah. For ba, give qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you are opening the two components of your makhraj, that is qalqala. Yeah, ha from your throat. Fatha open your jaws with hums. Ha, thu for the circle ellipse, the sound is light. Feel for kasra, give e the sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Aw, hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ra. Ra is heavy, not hamza. So keep hamza light, ra heavy, and ra will get sifa of the wasut. Li for kasra, give e sound. Li for kasra, give e sound. U for keep ya very light. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. U, ri for kasra, give e sound, and ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ya, keep ya light. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Kai, this is lean, so keep it soft and make it 2 counts long. Kai, fa, give hams on fa. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. You for the circle ellipse. Wa, makhraj of wow, circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ri, 2 counts long, and make ra light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. So, for fatha open jaws, attach it wow. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta, very sharp sound. No flow of sound here. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Si. Because of this waqf, we are giving sukoon on ha. Then this ha will get rakhawa now because of the waqf, because of the sukoon. And now this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws and make it 2 counts long. Because of this qaf, alif is heavy too. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Yeah is soft, make it 2 counts long. Wai for makhraj of waw, circle ellipse, fatha open jaws attached with yeah. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp. From your throat for fatha open jaws. Jaz. For fatha open jaws attached with sa. Za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is light, and it has safir. Tu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. And Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. And then on noon will get sifa of the wasut and ruling is idhar. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws. Ooh, for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mith for kasra, give e sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Mith la for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. Dal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat, and the wasat is medium flow of sound. Ghu, ghain is heavy for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ra is 2 counts long. To make any letter long and to make any letter heavy, this ra is heavy. So you're lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips. Ra, b for kasra, give e sound. F, give hams in fa. With fatha, the sound will be short. U for the circle lips, the sound is short and very sharp. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Ri for kasra, give E sound. Ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ya for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Saw, this is harf lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. Kha is heavy and make it 2 counts long. F, give hams on fa. With fatha, the sound will be very short. As, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attaches sod. Saw will get sifa off. Rakhawa, and it will get safir and it is heavy. As, ba for fatha, open jaws. Ha from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra, give E sound. Nan, fatha, open jaws, attach it. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and kunna is this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. D for kasra, give E sound. Meen. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and this is called mad arid sukoon. فبعث الله غرابا يبحث في الأرض ليريه كيف يواري سوءة أخيه قال يا ويلتى أعجزت أن أكون مثل هذا الغراب فأواري سوءة أخي فأصبح من النادمين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.